Hello, how are you? You don't know who I am? I'm the free laundromat asshole. Get over here.
We'll talk at dinner.
Oh my God, look at him run. Get him running away. He's running away. I'm not paying for your meal tonight. This is a dawn of a new day, apparently, because me, myself, the self-proclaimed king of laundry, has been invited and has shown up to an industry event. We are at the Coin Laundry Association Excellence, which apparently they have every year or two, whatever the case may be. And I really want to applaud these guys because they've realized in some small way, at least a contingent of them, that they should bring in people not on the outside, but in the center of this. So we're gonna enjoy the cocktails, I'm gonna pay for dinner, and we're gonna make some new friends. There's a joint. Hello, how are you? Hello, Steve, Danny. Shelly, you don't know who I am? I'm the free laundromat asshole. He really doesn't know who I am. Wait a minute.
I recognize you.
I just put this right on here.
This is what my people want to know. Why can't I find pricing for your equipment?
As equipment providers, we don't set the pricing in the market. We have a list price, and then from there on, the market decides the real pricing, whether it's a distributor. You know, market conditions are different across the United States. There's different things going on. So we don't play God on that. We really don't. And that's been the policy of every manufacturer in this room if you go talk to them. So
Sure.
I'm giving you an honest answer.
How come I can go to Cadillac's website? I can not only look at the vehicle I'm interested in, but also pick the features, turbocharger, 22-inch rims. You know where I'm going with this.
I would love to be.
I wasn't finished. Then they give me the price.
Yeah.
I want to know why it hasn't changed in so long.
No, I agree. I mean,
And maybe you're on the outside looking in like I am, just wondering.
Yeah, I think.
All right, so no
invest
answer.
in that kind of thing, you know, it might make sense one day, but right now it's really. We have a price sheet we give to our distribution. They're not really supposed to publish it. It is, and then they work from that out in the market. They decide the pricing. I mean,
Well, why not have and I keep picking on cars, but why not have an MSRP?
We do. Our price sheets are what we call list price, MSRP. So nobody sells at list price. There's always somewhat of a discount.
Maybe you don't think that's good, bad, or indifferent, but let's just say that it's a bad thing, that there's no published pricing. Why do you think it's bad? It's a deep baseball question, I know, but question in two parts. If you think it's bad, why is it bad? And maybe it's not.
I don't think it's bad. I've been in the industry 20 years. I've seen it work for just about everybody in this room. I mean, I'm looking at store. This guy's built 5 stores
we're outside,
with me.
so you know.
This guy's built 100 stores with me. This guy's built 10 stores with me. And I've never had them ask me that question.
I'm not being adversarial.
You know, I'm just saying. Everything's about location. So if you have a great location, you can always refinance your store later. Don't let the rates scare you. Chase your dream, all right?
Thanks, Jason.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate it a lot. You know what I heard? It's that way because it's always been that way. I don't know Jason. I know my distributors, and I know several of the distributors that I work with through you when you sign your lease. I know the manufacturers, and I still didn't hear a clear answer. This is a big corporate behemoth, and it doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Why don't they publish their pricing? What's going on in this industry is exactly this. They are looking to eat steak every Friday on the new operators. I won't let it happen to you. I'm just here to shed light on the bullshit.
All right, well.
You're all right, Paul.
All right.
I'll get your number right now. Is it windy out here?
No, I appreciate it.
Get over here.
We'll talk at dinner.
Oh my God! Look at him run! Get him running away! He's running away. I'm not paying for your meal tonight. If you think the laundromat industry is boring, wow! I have to say, I'm amazed because we're about to go into a room, a dinner that I'm paying for. I only say I'm paying for it because we were on an email thread and everyone is upset and pissed off and worried about how much they were gonna pay for the lobster or their drinks. I can't stand that in my personal life, so I said, I'll pay for it. I don't give a shit how many people are in there. We're about to go into the room and talk to industry leaders and influencers in laundries for the first time because the CLA, the Coin Laundry Association, has finally decided that we are important. We, me perhaps, the people that are bringing newbies into this industry are minuscule but important. We have been crushing forever. I don't give two fucks whether or not they want me on the inside. I'm happy to be on the outside of this thing. I'm happy to be on the other side of the fence because I know the gate code. I know the key. I don't need to be in there. So let's see what happens. Let's find out. You know what? It's going to be a battle fucking royale. So what is this? Who said that? Who said that? Who said pretty big knife? Good? Anyone else? I want to hear everybody. What is this? Chef's knife. A more drilled down, precise description of what this is. A sword? I beg to differ.
Yeah, not a sword.
Butcher's knife. Everyone, anyone. It's a tool. Excellent. Nobody said weapon.
Where did you get that?
I'm paying the bill. The fucking staff takes care of me. Thank you, Chris. He brought me 7 knives and I was like, no, dude, that doesn't look scary enough. You could say it's a prop because we're talking, so it's a prop. But what we're hearing here, knives are out. This industry, I hire videographers and they're like, I'm going to a laundromat conference? Are you kidding? How silly. But people in this room have made videos about other people in this room trying to pull their knives out. Trying to do what? Trying to dig in. Trying to scratch. Trying to tell little stories to get into everybody's brain, right? Is that, what's the point? If the CLA wants to bring those of us who have a voice, who have influence, I hate the word influencer. I don't want to influence anyone. I want to tell them what I think and they can take it or motherfucking leave it. There's a million ways, Wally, thank you, to do this and to do it right without the knives. Now there's the comments and we're talking about social media. And the social media, the ultimate douche is the one that says from their grandma's basement, I think you are this person. Well, that's not me. That's not who I am. I have a wife. I have kids. I have passions. Love. God damn, it got quiet in here. So this industry has made people and generations wealthy. I'm not on one side of the fence. I'm in the middle of this, as are, I think, all of us, saying we want us all to be lifted up. Put the fucking knives away. When you get to know me, you love me. I appreciate being invited to this event. I didn't think it would happen. You know, my website says the most hated man in the laundromat industry, and I don't care if that changes. I truly don't. Those are the people on the inside looking out.
I have a thank you from our team for Mr. Danny.
What? The king.
Better be a gun.
It's a 9-inch chef's knife.
California, you can't have a gun.
Don't touch my hair.
Well, there you go.
Yeah. Chris, bring the knife back out.
Thank you. Amazing.
We got you a can crown. Came on.
Nice work.
You got me in the laundry.
I have to admit, dinner was great. The food is fantastic. San Diego is lovely. I have a yacht in the harbor out there. I've been paying on that slip for quite a time. These people want the same thing. They want newbies like you to flourish. They want new people in this industry. I don't give a shit if you're a multi-quadrillionaire. I don't really care if you're new and you want to take your family's money and invest it in laundries. We all want you to succeed. Now, there are little infights, there are small samurai attacks that are going on, but everyone in this industry truly wants you to succeed, as do I. I can't speak for others, but I know that I've been doing this for 20 long years, and if you want information, you want to find out the minutia, come with me and let's get you a laundromat or 2 or 10. These folks know, as you've seen, we are going to make you money.
And if you're the 12th caller, you'll win 2 tickets to the Monster Truck Extravaganza being held tonight at the Carson Fairgrounds, featuring Big Daddy Don Bodine's truck, the Behemoth.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.